in the Sushant Singh Rajput case is Sushant's cook Neeraj, who was present in the house when Sushant was found dead on the 14th. His version and his statements are crucial to the investigation. As CBI completes part 1 of the investigation, Republic has tracked Neeraj. As per his uncle, Neeraj is employed with a film star who is close to Rhea Chakrabarti. Neeraj is currently in the national capital and will be back in October. Republic even tried speaking to him on the phone, and here's that entire sequence.
हेलो नीरज भाई।
यस टेल मी।
वो अंकित भाई ने नंबर दिया था तुम्हारा। ये हमारे को थोड़ा सा खाना का एक चाहिए रूम बनाने के लिए, जॉब के लिए।
अंकित भाई ने आपका नंबर दिया था कुक के लिए।
एक्चुअली आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
मेरे को आपका वाया नंबर मिला है। आप मुझे पहचानते भी हो, लेकिन आप जब मिलोगे हाँ
ओके
तो आप
ठीक है। आप
हाँ बोल।
आगे।
नीरज जी, ये जो आपका बात हुआ था ना सीबीआई में, वहाँ पे आपको क्या बोला गया था?
एक्चुअली आप मुझे पसंद क्यों करते हैं? आप समझ में नहीं आता आप लोगों को।
क्यों, क्या हो गया? लेकिन
क्या
ऐसा
हो गया?
आप ऐसा क्यों करते हो?
हमने क्या किया वो तो
आपको
बताओ।
परेशान किया?
आई एम वेरी सॉरी।
नीरज जी,
क्या
आप
हो गया?
थे 13 तारीख को?
हाँ
आप 13 तारीख को थे?
न्यूज़ वाले हो गया आप?
नहीं, न्यूज़ वाले नहीं है।
Neeraj, there, we tried to speak to him. My colleagues in conversation with Neeraj, the cook who was present at the apartment when Sushant Singh Rajput died under mysterious circumstances. Several questions that now come to light, because why is it that Neeraj, who is key testimony in the case, was allowed to leave Mumbai? He is currently in the national capital, will be back in the month of October. His uncle also confirming certain details to us, which further raise question on why exactly is it that A, he was allowed to leave Mumbai when he is key to the entire ongoing investigations. Both Shravan and Yesha, my colleagues working on the story live with us. To you, Shravan, first. What is it that you picked up as far as the conversation with both Neeraj's uncle and Neeraj is concerned? Because we are given to understand that he's not in Mumbai as we speak. Key to the entire investigation, but this man is in Delhi.
Well, in fact, I'll bring in my colleague Yesha in a short while from now to basically, tell us a little bit about how she, along.
In fact, I had essentially a tip-off with regards to this entire the location that was in place, that was basically in question. But what becomes extremely crucial is if you juxtapose this with the current development in the report that has come in right now with the AIIMS submitting their preliminary findings in this particular case, where the Central Bureau of Investigation now maintaining that they are not going to rule out any possible angle, which essentially means that the second leg, perhaps the final leg of the investigation, is going to take place
Final leg of the investigation is going to take place sometime later this week or early next week, with the CBI team basically going back to Mumbai. So what does this essentially mean? It essentially means that all of them who have been inmates, who have shared the apartment along with Sushant Singh Rajput and was there on 14th of June, would once again come under the scanner. They would be re-examined by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, what Yesha and my colleague Sunny, they have been able to establish so far is one, this is the same very place that in fact Neeraj was staying during this entire investigation. But one big takeaway, if I may say so, Kritsween, it's that we have essentially been able to find out that Neeraj has essentially been now employed by a top Bollywood personality. And he is essentially working in Mumbai. But however, having said that, he has been currently in the national capital for a few days. He is here until about October. He would be there before, and after that he would be going back and working with that top Bollywood personality. And other key takeaways from this entire sting that has been done by my colleague Yesha, a fantastic sting, if I may say so, because for the first time, perhaps once again, Neeraj has been tracked down by Republic TV. This is after the investigation that was basically done by the Central Bureau of Investigation, where he was called in multiple times. He was examined multiple times, confronted with other evidence that has been gathered by the Central Bureau of Investigation. So this entire investigation becomes extremely crucial. And not just that, important to point out here is that their mobile phones, Neeraj as well as Keshav, their mobile phones have now been seized by
mobile phones, which essentially means that these phones have been sent for forensic examination. So not to forget, they still remain as one of the main suspects as far as this particular case is concerned. So yet again, Republic TV's SIT now tracking down the main characters, or rather, if I may say so, the main suspects.
Or rather, if I may say so, the main suspects in this case.
Absolutely. And one is that, of course, Neeraj is key to the entire ongoing investigations. And like you rightly pointed out, Shravan, the second leg of the CBI probe is all set to begin. The AIMS report has made it very clear that no angles have been ruled out yet. So the homicide angle pretty much in question as far as the investigations are concerned. Also, no clean sheet that has been given to everyone. So everyone who was present at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence that day, everyone around him, everyone he got in touch with him the last few days before he passed away, everyone will be questioned once again. But Shravan, if you could just throw some more light on how Neeraj was also employed by someone who was very, very close to Rhea Chakrabarti. That also becomes a very interesting angle that must be looked at.
This is something that we are reporting at this point in time, because this is a new information that we have come across during the course of our investigation, because you have right now the same very person who is being employed by a top Bollywood personality, someone who is considered to be very close to Rhea Chakrabarti. Let me also bring in my colleague Yesha, who's actually done this entire groundwork trying to get us Neeraj's uncle, who then actually put Yesha and my colleague Sunny through Neeraj, who's right now camping in the national capital. Yesha, let me come to you with regards to how you carried out this entire investigation, number one, and secondly, the significance of tracking down Neeraj at a time when he remains the main suspect as far as this particular case is concerned.
That's right, Shravan. What is important here is that there were 4 people present at Sushant Singh Rajput's house a day prior to his death. Also, they were present the day Sushant died. These 4 people include Siddharth Pithani, Sushant Singh Rajput's cook Neeraj, Sushant Singh Rajput's cook Keshav, and Dipesh Sawant, of which Dipesh Sawant is now behind bars. Siddharth Pithani is not in the country. And as far as our sting goes, we got to know that both Keshav as well as Neeraj had left the city with the permission of CBI, following which one of them is back in the city and working now with a prominent Bollywood celebrity. The other one, which is Neeraj, is right now in Delhi, and he also would be back soon, sometime in October, as we got to know. And he was also employed with a prominent Bollywood celebrity and would come back and resume in 1 month. Now, what becomes important here is that CBI has already questioned them. Their phones are with the CBI, they've changed their numbers, and they're living almost with a fresh identity at this place. Does that go on to say that does CBI want to go ahead and investigate them further? Because they've still not been given a clean sheet. They will not get their phones back for the next 6 months. And their role in this entire investigation is pretty crucial, because they were the ones who know each and every minute detail of what happened. Neeraj's uncle, whom we met yesterday, also told us that was Keshav who had given Sushant that last juice, which is being so much talked about. And they were also present 15 days after Sushant's death and were staying with the family at Sushant Singh Rajput's house. That goes on to add that they know each and every detail about Sushant Singh Rajput, right from what happened when Rhea was staying with
So
him,
it goes without saying, Yesha,
when he passed away.
that
In
this
that
man
case, they become-
is very crucial to the ongoing investigation, and now that the CBI will begin its second leg of the investigation, will be looking at all of the angles, including homicide. That's going to be the special focus of the CBI. His narration becomes extremely important once again. Well, you also spoke to Neeraj's uncle, and he also had certain information to share. Let's play that sting out.
वो कब की टिकट है उनकी नीरज की
शायद 2 तारीख बोल रहा था, 2 तारीख नहीं होगा, 17 तारीख आएगा।
17
को आएगा।
लेकिन 2 तारीख की टिकट हो गई या नहीं हुई?
नहीं हुई अभी जाएगा ना, 2 तारीख कोर्ट में जाएगा।
हाँ
तो कोर्ट फैसला करेगा, उसके बाद छुट्टी देगा। हाँ देगा तो आएगा ना उधर से।
लेकिन 2 तारीख को तो उसको कोर्ट, तुम बोल रहे हो कि हाजिर होना है ना उसको,
हाँ।
तो आना ही पड़ेगा ना उसको 1 तारीख
2
को।
या 3 तारीख तक आएगा। नहीं इधर नहीं, उधर ही दिल्ली में हो रहा है।
अच्छा, दिल्ली में हो रहा है।
हाँ दिल्ली में है ना, यहाँ का सब माई दिल्ली जाता है ना।
और सीबीआई की टीम वहाँ पे भी है।
हाँ माई पे
तो वहाँ पे खत्म होएगा, निपटेगा, फिर यहाँ पे काम पे लगेंगे।
तभी आएगा।
और तभी वो फ्री भी नहीं होंगे ना, मतलब।
हाँ
अच्छा, उधर लग गए,
के बाद
वहीं जाएंगे वो। अभी छुट्टी ली है वहाँ से
1 महीने का
आने जाने का। हाँ, वो उन्होंने भी बोला रहेगा थोड़ा आराम करो।
तो यही रहता था क्या वो इतना दिन? हाँ
हाँ उधर जब काम करता था ना।
हाँ
उसके बाद वो सीबीआई का जांच होने लगा, तो सर ने बोला कि अभी 1 महीने की लीव ले लीजिए।
हाँ
तो वो आया था इधर मेरे पास, 20 तारीख को आया था। फिर कितना दिन बैठा है इधर।
ये सुशांत के पहले कहा था?
सुशांत पहले तो उधर था, सुशांत के पास रहता था।
सुशांत के पास ही रहता था।
हाँ।
अच्छा,
उसके बाद मैं जाने के बाद तो उधर कितना तारीख आया बोलते थे, 15 तारीख आए थे। 15 तारीख आया हमारे से, छुट्टी दे के आया। नहीं हाँ कितना तारीख आया था।
गैस बंद कर दो नहीं तो खराब हो जाएगा।
वहाँ से आया, उसके बाद इधर बैठा, इधर बैठ के इधर 2 दिन बैठा, फिर उधर लगा। वहाँ से फिर 20 तारीख को आया था इधर। फिर बोला सीबीआई का जांच हो रहा है, भाई सीबीआई का जांच हो रहा है, तो क्या रोज कुछ करते रहते हैं ना। तो इस वजह से सुबह जाता था 10 बजे, शाम को 10-11 बजे आता था।
इतना टाइम लगता है?
लेकिन वो तो बोल रहे कि सुशांत का दरवाजा लॉक था।
हाँ लोग ही था।
लेकिन ये
अच्छा।
तो सुबह जूत दिया था नीरज ना।
जब जूस पीने के बाद दम लगाया ना उनसे।
अच्छा,
नीरज नहीं दिया ना लेकिन जूस।
नहीं उसने दिया था, केसर।
केशव ने दिया था। ओ
नहीं, ये तो हमको सुनने में आया कि नीरज नहीं दिया था।
नहीं
नहीं, केशव ने दिया।
तो क्या बोलते रहते हैं।
कैसे नहीं दिया था क्या?
न्यूज वाले थोड़ा बात का थोड़ा ज्यादा।
लेकिन बनाया तो नीरज ने ना।
नहीं वो बनाया भी उसने था,
केशव ने?
केशव ने बनाया था।
नहीं नीरज ने बनाया था।
नहीं उसने बनाया था।
केशव ने बनाया था।
वो भी तो यहाँ मेरे घर पर रह के गए।
कहाँ? यहाँ पे अपने आगे रह के गए? अभी वो कहाँ गए तो फिर?
तो गोवा चला गया।
गोवा?
गोवा सारा अली खान के पास काम करता है।
हाँ, तो अभी काम यहीं करते, मुंबई में कि कहीं और काम करते?
तो कुक है वो तो।
हाँ, वो भी
उसका
कुक
नाम
है।
ना,
हाँ, उसका भी नाम है।
इधर आता था कैसे हो?
वो अभी तो कम से 20 तारीख से पता लाने तक यहीं पे थे।
अच्छा, दोनों साथ में रहते थे यहाँ पे?
25 दिन इधर बैठे।
अच्छा, तो अभी वो क्या गोवा में लग गए?
हाँ गोवा में उधर मैम ने बुलाया चले गए।
सारा अली खान ने बुलाया? अच्छा ना, उनका वो क्या इंडस्ट्री में नाम रहता तो लोग बुला लेते हैं। अच्छा खाना बनाते तो नाम रहता
अच्छा खाना
तो सब बुला लेते हैं। तो वहाँ पे तो उनको थोड़ा ऐसा लगा रहेगा ना कि इतना टाइम उनके साथ रुके ऐसे, फिर अचानक
लेकिन
से
अभी वो
ऐसा।
सरा अली खान के घर में है कि बाहर?
उधर ही है।
उधर
घर
ही?
पे है, बॉम्बे वाले घर पे।
मुंबई पे अभी 2 दिन हुआ आया हुआ, गोवा में था वो।
आ गया
अभी?
ना अभी।
अच्छा, अभी सारा अली खान के घर पे बॉम्बे में काम करते हैं।
पहले गोवा में था।
लेकिन कुछ उनको बहुत ऐसा लगा रहेगा ना, इतना टाइम सुशांत के साथ रहे, इतना साल।
कुछ बताया?
क्या उनको थोड़ा बुरा लगा रहेगा ना?
हमें क्या लेने का कोई बात
हाँ नहीं, हाँ
वैसे ही अपने
नहीं, उनको भी बहुत ऐसा लगा रहेगा ना, इतना साल रहे उनके साथ, खाना बनाया।
तुम्हारा ये फंसा कैसे? लेकिन ये नीरज बिना मतलब के नीरज फंसा कैसे?
कहा
ये चक्कर में अच्छा खाना बिना बनाता था।
भाषा मतलब कैसा भाषा?
ये सब सीबीआई का सब चक्कर लग गया ना खाली फुकट।
क्या उसका
ये
करियर?
तो घर पे 4 लोग थे ना।
अच्छा,
उसने
लेकिन ये तो कुछ नहीं था ना, बोल रहे हो तुम।
कुछ करने के लिए तो बुलाएंगे ना सीधे।
हाँ
सब डिटेल देंगे, क्या था, क्या हुआ था, क्या था।
राइट।
लेकिन आपको तो बताया रहेगा नहीं घर में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं।
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला उसने। ऐसा ही बोला, कुछ बोला नहीं होता।
अच्छा,
मैंने पूछा